Today we're diving into some exciting news. The Honor Magic 8 Pro is making a comeback, and it's shaping up to be one of the most interesting flagship phones of 2025. Now, Honor has a packed lineup ahead for the Chinese market this year. In the first half, we're expecting the Honor 400 series, the Honor GT Pro, the Magic V2 Flip, and even the Magic V4. Then in the second half, the Honor X70 series will arrive to target the mid-range crowd. But the real head-turner will be their flagship Magic series, the Magic 8 and Magic 8 Pro, rumored to launch around October, just like last year's Magic 7 series. Let's talk about the latest leak. According to a reliable source in China, the Honor Magic 8 will actually shrink in size. The screen is rumored to measure 6.59 inches, down from the 6.78-inch panel on the Magic 7. Now, that might sound like a downgrade, but Honor isn't cutting corners here. The phone will still carry a 1.5K AMOLED display, a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, and the big highlight, extremely narrow bezels. Get this, the black matrix border around the screen is expected to measure less than 1 millimeter on all sides. If true, that's not just slim, it's an industry record. And yes, it's going to be a flat panel, something Chinese smartphone makers are leaning toward right now. Plus, Honor is going with what they call large R-corner rounding, meaning the corners of the screen will have a more pronounced, curved finish for a cleaner look. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Competing brands like Oppo, Vivo, and Xiaomi typically save their bigger, more premium displays for the Pro variants. Honor looks to be doing the same, which means the Magic 8 Pro could continue rocking a larger panel, while the standard Magic 8 takes on the more compact size. That's all for today's update on the Honor Magic 8 Pro. What do you think about the shrinking screen size and record-breaking bezels? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And hey, if you want daily updates on the latest tech, make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.